impressions of the hotel. Very clean, very nice. Everything is on the spot. Thanks, Hilton. I had a chat with my wife and we've decided to take a cab. It's quicker to take a cab, I think, which will leave us more time to go shopping, buy some souvenirs and stuff, and see the sights. We are going to Old Town, right?
Yes.
Town now, and it's very broad. The place is quite beautiful, and we're looking for a place where I can buy some mittens or something, because I forgot all mine, and it's quite brisk outside, especially with the wind. So I cannot feel my hand anymore. Bought what's apparently the best Bonski in Warsaw, and it's right behind me there. They really are very delicious. He dropped us off, and now we're about to eat. We're at a food court. Lots of places where you can eat. Just look at this butcher. I got this camera, so I'm gonna switch towards it in a bit. We just need to buy an extra SD card. See you there. So, okay, bought a new card and using the new camera. How's the image quality? Is it better? Worse? I don't know. This is weird. This camera is quite heavy. And I'm being looked at.
And he's smiling more.
Yes, and apparently I'm smiling more. Just got off the tram there. And we're about to... Where are we going?
Old Town.
Going to Old Town. These Polish girls, they want to drink shots. It's still early in the afternoon, but they really want to drink shots. Nice. This is so spontaneous.
Yes. Okay.
What's the plan?
We eat. We walk the boat. Then we drink.
And then we
walk in the boat.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. At some point I'm going to meet you guys if you need shots.
We are walking to a hot chocolate place because it's very cold. And sadly, I didn't get any gloves or anything. Where are we?
We're near the old town next to Krakowskie Przedmieście, which is the royal route between the old castle that was destroyed during the war.
Wow. Just look at this. Yeah, this is what we need right now. I've switched back to using the Sony because the other one is dead. She's gonna charge it. My batteries are almost dead, and the only thing we're gonna do is eat. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So okay, I knew that I said I would see you guys tomorrow, but we just finished eating, and my camera actually just finished recharging again. So we're off to the hotel in Hilton, and what my wife doesn't know is that I have a big surprise for her planned. Still doesn't know anything. Look at Warsaw at night in the snow. Looks amazing.
What the fuck? Oké. Wat is dit allemaal? Huh? Champagne? Wat leuk! Ah. What?
Did you like it?
Yeah. Really good surprise.